What's up, YouTube friends? My name is Raven, and I love to travel. And I typically like to make pictures of my hotel rooms, and friends have been telling me that I should do room tours. And I thought that was a great idea, so I'm starting this new travel channel, and this is going to be my first video for it. So forgive me if it's not that great, I will get better. Today I'm staying at the Harbourfront Marriott in Halifax, Nova Scotia. I am Canadian, and this is a hotel that I stay at quite a lot. It's not that far away from me, about an hour away. So when I like to do staycations, I typically come here. This is a one-bedroom suite here at the Harbourfront. It is lovely. I have stayed in another one-bedroom suite of theirs that wasn't as elegant as this one. This one just takes my breath away. When you come into the foyer, you come in and you have this hallway, and to the right of you, you have the first bathroom, which is just a small little powder room type of bathroom. It just has your typical toilet, and it has a nice little sink area. If you're going to be entertaining guests, you can, let them use that one. Or if you're staying with somebody, you can just give them that bathroom and they can stay out of yours. There's the closet. It usually has robes. There is a very nice entranceway with some lovely artwork. I really enjoy the atmosphere of this room. It has a nice fireplace with an abundance of seating with this couch. It's very comfortable. I just sank right into it, and I didn't really ever want to get back up. Oh, before I carry on with the rest of this room tour, if you're liking this video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help me out. It'll get my video noticed. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification, and you won't miss any upcoming videos. And I am planning some nice, huge trips in the next couple of months, so I promise you're going to want to see. Okay, with that shameless plug out of the way, let's head deeper into the room, into the dining area. Here we have a very lovely long dining room table. It seats 6. There's a nice TV, and yes, you are seeing correctly. There is a piano in this room. A piano! I only wish that I could play you some beautiful music, but since I can't, I will not. I will spare your ears. We have a bar area over here, turning on some lights. And yes, since I am at a harborfront hotel, it would only be nice to show you the view. Now, I don't have the best view in this room, but if you look over here, you can see the water. It's a very cloudy, gloomy day outside in Halifax right now, but in the summertime, when the sun is shining and it is glistening off of the water, it is so beautiful. This room is lovely, and we're just looking at it from this new direction. Like I said, there's the TV, the foyer, the very nice dining room table. Going over towards the bar area now, the little kitchenette. This room has everything. It really, really does. You really do feel like you are in your home away from home. We have a sink area, countertop, microwave, turning on some lights so you can see better, a little mini fridge that you can put your own stuff in there. You can do your dishes, but hey, I'm on vacation. I don't know about you. I'm not doing any dishes. I'll leave that for somebody else to do, but you do have a dishwasher if you feel so inclined to do your dishes. Okay, so we're not done we're not quite done with this room tour yet. We still have this nice, lovely bedroom to look at. I just loved this bedroom. It had everything inside of it, everything you could possibly need for a bedroom in a hotel room. Here is the bed. It's a nice 4-post bed. It was so comfortable, and you could have so much fun in this bed. So much fun. And yeah, I mean sleeping, of course. So here is the lounging area. You have a nice chair and then a lounge. Another nice view of the harbor if you're going to want to look at it. A desk if you need to work. Another TV, complete with another fireplace that doesn't give off heat but does give some really nice atmosphere. Heading into the bathroom, we find ourselves with a lovely 2-person jacuzzi. I loved it. It was very relaxing, and of course, if you bring a partner, you can have someone there to wash your back and play in those bubbles. The bathroom has a shower. It's a pretty big size shower. You could fit a couple people in there, again, for, washing back purposes. This was a very nice master bathroom, and that is completely this room. I hope that you enjoyed my little room tour. This was my first attempt at doing a room tour, so I have some rough edges to iron out, but I promise you that it will get better. I have a big vacation planned this summer to Las Vegas, woot woot, so there will be some awesome room tours and other things coming. So if you want to see those, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye for now. Mwah.